Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made this TeaLight pot of gold. What you'll need from the Dollar Tree is one of the cauldrons from Halloween or the pot of golds for St. Patrick's Day, whatever you have in your stash. A block of the floral foam, you're only going to need a small piece of it. A flameless tea light candle. As you can see, I have them from all over the place. From Amazon, I got this silicone mat and some Dollar Tree hot glue. From a project last year, I had a piece of this St. Patrick's Day necklace left over. I'm just going to use one shamrock. The first thing I did was I used the hot glue and I carefully filled in the silicone mold, making sure that each nook and cranny was filled. And then I used my silicone mat and I just smoothed out the underside so that it will lay flat against my project. Once it was hard, I removed the silicone mat, inspected it to make sure that I didn't miss anything, and then I popped it out. And then I did cut off the small shamrock off of that necklace, and I took the hot glue piece and the shamrock and I spray painted them black. Next, I prepared my tea light for painting, and I just used some painter's tape to cover up the flame, and then I gave it a quick spray with gold metallic spray paint. Next, it was time to cut some floral foam, so leaving it in the plastic because I didn't want to mess, I just cut off a piece that would fit inside the cauldron, and then I just kind of rolled it around to make it into a cylinder shape. That way it'll go into the pot of gold bucket easier. And this is what it will look like. A little messy, but that's okay. It's just foam. We can throw it away. Then I popped it into the cauldron, and look at that. I'm making it looks like it's exploding. Might be good for Halloween. What do you think? Once it was in a circle, I put it in and it was too long, so I just cut off enough of it so that it would be below the top of the cauldron so the tea light candle can sit on top of it. I put some hot glue on the bottom of the cauldron / pot of gold, and then plopped the piece of floral foam inside. Then it was time to use my rub and buff. I used the antique gold, and then once that was all pretty, I hot glued it onto the pot of gold, and I did the same thing with the little shamrock. And then I added my tea light, and here you can see it's turned on. And here I made two, so I showed you one that's not lit and the other one is turned on. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.